Today is my special day. With a thankful heart, I celebrate. The morning sun is shining bright, a brand new year, a beautiful light. Every heartbeat, every smile is a blessing worth every mile. Family gathered by my side with open hearts and joyful eyes. Friends and loved ones, hand in hand. Together we laugh, together we stand. My special day, a gift from heaven. I'll always say thank you, Lord, for all you've done, for every blessing, every rising sun. This is my special day. With grateful hearts we'll sing and pray. Family, friends, and love so true. I'm thankful for this life with you. Through every season, through every storm, you kept my heart safe and warm. When I was weak, you gave me strength. Your faithful love has no end. To my family, thank you all for lifting me whenever I fall. To every loved one standing near, you fill my life with joy each year. Blow the candles, make a wish, lift your heart and smile again. Every breath, every dream is a gift from God. This is my special day. My heart is filled with songs of praise. Thank you, Lord, for guiding me, for every hope and every dream. This is my special day, with love and laughter all the way. May my life bring glory to your name. Forever I'll be grateful just the same. 'cause today it's your birthday. The sun is shining brighter today. Smiles and laughter lead the way. Family and friends are here to say happy birthday on your special day. Every candle tells a dream. Every moment shines and gleams. May your heart always believe life is better than it seems. Raise your hands, sing along. This is where your heart belongs. Every wish is flying high like the stars up in the sky. It's your birthday, celebrate today. Dance and laugh, come what may. May your dreams all come alive. May your happiness forever shine. Here's to love, here's to cheer, to another wonderful year. Everybody sing out loud, happy birthday, we're so proud. May your days be filled with light. Every morning warm and bright. May good fortune find your way. Every single passing day. Keep on smiling, keep your spark. Be the sunshine in the dark. You deserve the very best, more than words could ever express. Thankful for the memories, thankful for your kindness too. May your journey always be filled with hope in all you do. It's your birthday, sing and smile, celebrate in joyful style. May your heart forever glow with endless love you'll always know. Dream big, laugh free, be the best that you can be. From our hearts we proudly say happy, happy birthday. One more year, one more dream. Life is brighter than it seems. May your blessings never end. Happy birthday, dear friend. Hey, come on, everybody, sing along. Tonight we celebrate forever friends, forever young. Through the laughter, through the years, we share the smiles and wipe the tears. Every memory, every song, together we stay strong. Every road, every mile, you've always brought another smile. No matter where this life may lead, you're the friend I need. Raise your hands, let's celebrate. Today is full of love and faith. Here's to dreams that still belong, to hearts forever young. Happy birthday, here's to you. May every dream come shining through. Forever friends, forever young. Our story's only just begun. Here's to laughter, here's to love. Count your blessings from above. Side by side is your special day. Come on, everybody sing. Let's celebrate with love. From my very first heartbeat, you were always by my side. With your love and endless care, you became my greatest guide. Every hug and every smile made my world so warm and bright. You have been my shining star, my hope through every night. Thank you for your sacrifice, for every prayer you've made. Today we celebrate your life with hearts so full of praise. Happy birthday, Mama. May your heart be filled with joy. May your dreams keep coming true, and your smile forever shine. Happy birthday, Mama. You taught me how to dream with faith, to be strong through every storm. Your kindness fills our family with the love that's always warm. Every candle on your cake is a blessing from above. Today selfless love. May your laughter never fade. May your heart forever sing. You deserve the very best, every joy that life can bring. Happy birthday, Mama. You're our sunshine every day. May your life be full of blessings every step along the way. We'll always love and cherish you, no matter where we are. You're forever in our hearts. Happy birthday, Mama. Blow the candles, make a wish. May all your dreams come true. With all our love, today we say happy birthday, Mama. Everybody sing along. Today is all about you. Happy birthday, my best friend. From the laughter that we share, to the memories family in every way. No matter where life takes us both, our friendship's here to stay. Happy birthday, my best friend. May your happiness never end. May your hopes and dreams come true, because no one deserves it more than you. Raise your hands and sing aloud. Celebrate and make us proud. Here's to many years ahead, filled with laughter, love, and hope instead. So make a wish and blow the candles bright. May your future always shine with light. Thank you for being a wonderful friend. Happy birthday, my best friend. Today is your day, bestie. Let's celebrate. From the very first hello, we've shared memories that always glow. Through every laugh and every tear, you've been my friend throughout the years. You're the sunshine in the rain, the one who helps me through the pain. With every smile you always bring, you make my heart wanna sing. So make a wish, don't be afraid. Today's the day that heaven made. Raise your hands up to the sky. Let your happiness fly high. Happy birthday, bestie. Let's dance the whole night through. May your dreams come true forever, and may life be kind to you. Happy birthday, bestie. You deserve the very best. Here's to laughter, love, and sunshine, and a life that's truly blessed. Every picture tells our story. Every moment shines with glory. No matter where this life may lead, you'll always be my friend indeed. May your heart be filled with laughter. May your joy grow ever after. Every candle, every cheer brings another happy year. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you for your smile. May happiness surround you today and every mile. Happy birthday, bestie. Sing it loud and celebrate. May your future shine much brighter, filled with love and hope so great. Happy birthday, bestie. You're amazing, yes, it's true. May your days be full of blessings, and all your dreams come true. One more candle, one more smile. Celebrate in joyful style. Together we'll make memories that last for all